All right, so let's do this for the new guys. For you guys who are new, and for you oldies but goodies, I've been using Vulture, so you can check out vulture.com if you guys are interested. And I've been using Vulture for cheap servers. I'm going to have you guys start with some log analysis and see if that server's up. So I'm on this box just like you guys are. Let's do these commands. So the first command is cat. Cat, if we look up here, is how we read a file. That's the content of a file. So you've got a file, which is actually a Cisco router log. So what cat is going to do is cat is going to read the file. So read the file. Awk shows me column numbers. So you want to think here for read. And then right here, you want to say, show me column 5. So awk print $5 is like, show me column 5. So I want to read the file, then I want to only see column 5. Now Linux has a head command, head, top of the file, tail, bottom of the file. So you're saying I want to read the file, but I only want to see column 5, and I only want to see the last 4 lines. -n is for number. So I only want to see the last 4 lines. Okay, so if you look at the entire file, it looks like this. So here's a Cisco device, and you guys can see here, everything seems to be happening on September 4th, right? And now you see that it had a line proto up, down, right? SSH got disabled, right? But what we're saying is we only want to see column 5. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's column 5. So here's column 1, here's column 2, here's column 3, here's column 4, and here's column 5. So he's saying, hey, I want to read the line, but I only want you to show me column 5. So all these things that say line proto and SSH and all that, that's in column 5. Okay, now Houston, we're probably going to have a problem. If you look down here, do you notice that smack dab in the middle, you got some stuff that doesn't break up into column numbers very nicely right before the column continues on down? I think that's going to be a problem later. So if we jump down here, we're going to read this very next line. So let me copy it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my session settings. I'm going to make the font a little bit bigger. Let's make the foreground black. Let's make the background white. There we go. Now we're in business. Okay, so I'm going to paste in this command. And now, again, cat is read. Whoa. Right there. Cat is read the log file. So the very first thing I want to do is read the file. Cat read. Then awk column number. Show me column 5. Then you say, okay, I want to sort it. It's alphabetize. Alphabetize. So now that you alphabetize, you want to unique. Unique means deduplicate. Remove the duplicates. The -C is to count the uniques. So read the file, cat, awk, show me column 5, sort, alphabetize, unique, remove the duplicates, and then you've got another sort, sort-rn, reverse numeric sort. So that puts the highest count at the top. So if I run this, now you see I had 8 times that the interface went up and down. So if this is a router, you've got network cards that went up and down. So it looks like your line protocol number 5 went up and down 8 times. Your sys5 config happened 3 times. You had a DHCP conflict 2 times. You had a system restart once, and SSH got enabled, SSH got disabled. So it's more than likely during that one restart, right? But then we got some stuff that just doesn't look right. So you got the word software, and then you got the word Cisco and bye, and then you got one that's nothing. This is from when we had this text right in here that didn't line up right. So that's what caused this stuff to look like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another line called grep. Grep is for get regular expression, right? What I want to do is I want to only look for a certain kind of data. So I want to cat, read the file, cat, grep, regular expression, grab regular expression, get regular expression, GNU regular expression, however you want to call it, but it means pattern search. Search for something that starts with a parenthesis, You see all these? They'll start with a parenthesis. Look for something that's got letters A to Z, lowercase, or letters A to Z, uppercase. So something that starts with a parenthesis, it's got letters, uppercase or lowercase. Then it's followed by a dash. Letters, followed by a dash, with a number from 0 to 9. There's a number from 0 to 9 in these. You guys notice this does not match that. That. Okay, then after that, we look for a dash, followed by a number, followed by a dash, followed by more letters. So do you see how that removed this, because this doesn't match, and these two don't match? That's the reason why you do that. It's a pattern search that says, well, I only want to see stuff that looks like this, okay? Then after that, everything else is the same. Awk is column number, so only show us column 5. Sort it, unique it, and then sort with reverse numeric. That puts the top number, 8, at the top because it's the biggest number and all the ones down at the bottom. Now, we can keep on playing. Who can tell me what's going on line 66? Good, read the Cisco log file, very good. And you're looking for this, right? So read the log file, show me every line that has this in it. Okay, now the next one, read the log file, show me every line that has line proto up, down, then awk, show me column number 10. Sort, alphabetize, unique, remove the duplicates, -C, count the uniques, and lastly, sort-rn, reverse numeric sort. Put the biggest number at the top. Okay, so we're pretty lucky. It looks to me like every event that happened only happened once. That's not too bad. I need to have a network like that. Well, our next line if we look at this, I'll show you something I don't like. You guys see these commas here? What if we wanted to get rid of those? What we can do is we can run our very next command. And all our very next command does is get rid of those commas. So cat reads the file. Grep shows only the lines that have line proto up down. Sed is find and replace. So he's gonna sed search, that's what this S is for. And then what he does is he looks between the two sets of slashes. So he looks between this set of slashes for what to look for, and he replaces it with whatever is between these two sets of slashes. So he sees the comma and replaces it with nothing. The G means globally. In other words, every time you see it, you do it, okay? And then everything else is the same. So if you guys look at the top command and the bottom command, it gets rid of the comma, okay? Now you can do the same thing and replace the comma with, let's say I replace the comma with, I don't know, dash Joe dash, okay? Now you see how it added, dash Joe dash to all of them, right? In other words, search for this, replace it with this every single time. So on our last one, we're going to do that sed trick. So cat read the file. Grep line proto dash 5 dash up down. So show me all the lines that have that. Sed find replace. Sed search for the comma, replace it with nothing. Awk show me column 10. This is where it's tricky. Show me column 10 right here. And then after you show me column 10, I want you to put this quote in here, this, and it says in between those, change to, and then it's going to show column 14. So column 10 is the interface name, column 14 is the interface status, and then sort it, alphabetize, unique, remove the duplicates and count them, sort dash RN, reverse numeric search. Reverse numeric sort. So now you can see what happened on every interface, which ones changed to up, which ones changed to down, all that cool stuff.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I really want to get people to start using the channel, start hanging out on InfosecAddicts.com and hang out on the InfosecAddicts YouTube channel. Thanks so much. See you again in our next video.